You all are fine. Over today book is the science factor of class 3. We have done over previous lecture which is about ear. Today we can do over lecture about nose. I can tell you about this lecture and explain it. Nose. The nose has three main functions. Nose have three functions. There are three works which nose have to do. First, it help us to breathe. It also moist and filters the air we breathe. The tiny hair in the nose called cilia trap dust particles and other mint objects and stop them from entering your lungs. Okay, the first function of our nose is that we can breathe over with our nose, with the help of our nose. This is your task. You have to close your nose and breathe from your mouth. You can feel some suffocation as if we have suffering from some flu and our nose is blocked. We can feel some inconvenience while breathing because we can inhale oxygen from our nose and exhale carbon dioxide with our mouth. Why we have to inhale oxygen with our nose? Why we have to adopt this method? Because when we inhale oxygen with our nose, as we all know that we have tiny hairs in our nose which are present in our nose. These tiny hairs filter the air which we can inhale. Okay, these tiny hairs trap the dust particles, the bad particles which damages our lungs. These hair trap the dangerous particles. As we all know that we have some dust and something bad in our nose, or sometimes our nose have many waste or something, a black material. This black material is good because this black material means that your hair particles which are present in your nose working very well and trap the dust. Also, the waste tell us that the air around you is not so much healthy. So our nose help us to inhale fresh and good air and trap all the dust particles. Also, it protects our lungs because if dusty air goes in our lungs are protected. So we have to inhale oxygen from our nose, not with our mouth. Second, it allows us to smell the world around us. This is very important because it is not just nice smelling things that our nose tell us about it. Also lets us know when bad smelling things are nearby. This can help to alert us to danger. Okay, the second work of our nose is that we can smell with our nose. We can smell the good and the bad things with our nose. As we have some tasty food, how we can find that there is some shawarma shop or someone making a biryani or someone making a pasta or someone making a spaghettis or noodles? We can smell it. If we cannot see it, we can smell it, that oh, today my mom is making noodles. Okay, this work is done with our nose. Also, if we are crossing some street, this is our nose which tell us that there is somewhere a garbage. This is the smell of garbage, so we have to protect our clothes and move, be aware. Okay, this is the nose which tell us the good and the bad thing and about the dangers. The next is, do you know what the third function of the nose is? Do you know? It allows us to taste what we eating. You might think only the tongue does that, but much of the pleasant senses we get from eating tasty food comes from its smell. Okay, Nose also tell us that what we are eating. Yes, this is not only the tongue which tell us. This is the nose. We can smell. We are eating noodles. Today the food is this. Okay, this is the nose which tell us or which work with over tongue. Have you ever wondered why you sneeze? Yes, tell me, have you ever wondered that why you sneeze? You sneeze when the inside of your nose is irritated. When this happens, your nose sends a message to your brain, and your brain sends a message to the muscle in your nose to sneeze. Okay, why we feel when we feel irritate? As you can notice that sometimes we are doing some work over here, over something, over hand, or something else which irritate us. We quickly start sneezing. Why? Because our brain send message. Because of, first of all, our nose send messages to brain, and then brain send messages to nose. If we can't understand it, then we don't know that which things irritate us or which things not. As just like that, some persons have allergic problem with some things. Okay, next is what you will need: a small piece of peddle potato, a small piece of peddle apple, same shape as the potato, so you can't tell the difference. If you have potato and an apple and cut in the same size and the same shape, you can't tell us that which piece is a piece of potato and which piece is a piece of apple. What you will do, what we have to do: close your eyes and mix up the pieces of potato and the pieces of apple, so you don't know which is which. Hold your nose and eat each piece. You can tell the difference. Okay, you can eat the pieces, you can tell the difference that which is potato and which is not a potato. Also, you have to smell. There is a sweet smell which comes a very sweet smell which comes from an apple. If you can smell, you can feel a sweet smell, then you can say that this is apple. There are two next questions, which are: what job does the nose do? What job does the nose do? I can tell you. It helps us to breathe, it helps us to smell around us, it helps us to alert us to danger, that oh, there is a garbage. What causes you to sneeze? Why you sneeze? When you feel irritate inside a nose, cause you to sneeze. Okay, this is the ending of our lecture. I can see you in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.